Imagine this, a nice clean cost sheet, and thereafter a silent slice of 5 2%, 15% disappears. Not in steel cost, not in labor. It leaks into rework, extra machining, sorting, and warranty returns. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director of Restec Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. Today, I will reveal how poor forging equipment quietly eats margins, delays deliveries, and hurt credibility without anyone noticing until it is too late. If you work in sourcing, you are living a balancing act. Price versus delivery, capability versus timelines, PPAP approvals here, customer pressure there. You stretch every rupee during the RFQ. But one missed equipment risk can lead to late trucks, rework loops, and weekend firefightings. 1 rupee saving can become a 50 rupees loss very quickly. Here is the insider truth. Press stability decides your destiny, not the newest machine, not the lowest quote. A forging is shaped by controlled energy, temperature, and alignment. If billet heat drifts even 50 degrees centigrade, if guides wear and ram shakes, if lubrication changes shift to shift, then machining machines minutes shoot up. Inserts crack faster, your variation spreads, capability collapses. It is rarely the delay that scares sourcing teams. It is the invisible drift inside the forge that creates the delay. Next time you visit a supplier, ask 5 questions that reveal everything. Question number 1. Show me the last 3 press alignment or calibration records. If there is dust on the file, there is your warning sign. Question number 2. How do you verify billet temperature? Before forging, are the pyrometers calibrated? Or it is by feeling is not a process. Question number 3. What is the typical die life for this part? And what triggers replacement? Planned change is equal to stability. Unplanned change is equal to chaos. Question number 4. Can I see today's energy or load sign off for this part? If they cannot show you real-time behavior, they don't control the press. Question number 5. What was the last unplanned downtime? And what changed after that? If the answer is silence, the next failure is already booked. Piece price is visible. Process stability is invisible. Sourcing leaders who demand the FORG, Forge check sleep later, because they buy repeatability, not just parts. So ask yourself, can your supplier hold capability for every shift, every batch, every month? Comment on the silent risk you once caught or wish you had noticed sooner. See you in my next video with more shop floor truth to protect your margins.